Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Lyft Cash. So it's a straightforward way to preload money in the Lyft app for easy payments on the go. To start, open the Lyft application, head to the Payments tab in the menu by clicking on this three-lined icon at the top left and selecting Payment. Now in this area, you'll have to click on the Add Cash button at the top. So Lyft Cash is great for managing your ride expenses. Here, you'll have to select the amount that you would like to add like $25, $50 or $100. You can also enable auto refill to keep your balance topped up, which will add funds automatically whenever your balance drops below $15. Now, you can choose this button to auto refill if you want it. If you don't want it, simply toggle this switch off. Now once you select add cash and choose the amount, click on the checkout button. Here, you'll have to click on choose a payment method, select add a payment method, enter your card number, expiry date, CVV, your country, and all the payment information of your card and click on save. Complete the payment and that amount will be added to your Lyft Cash. Now, once you select the add cash and tap the in-store button at the right and click on find a store to locate nearby participating retailers. At the store, when you arrive, show the cashier the barcode or the ID number provided in the app and pay the desired amount, and your Lyft Cash balance updates immediately. After you have loaded the funds, your Lyft Cash is ready for use. If cash is your only payment method, Lyft might require an ID verification once, an easy step to finalize everything. And that's it. Lyft Cash is now ready to make payments easy and convenient. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.